Hi everyone! Are you looking for a light snack or a simple merienda for your kids at home? I think it's worth checking out my simple egg sandwich. So here's the very basic recipe that I just prepared for everyone. This will yield only 3 sandwiches, but if you want more, you can double the quantity of the ingredients, okay? We will need 4 boiled eggs. We will need to mash or chop them into tiny pieces. Add a pinch of freshly cracked pepper or ground pepper. Season with salt as well, freshly cracked salt. And then add at least 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then simply mix all the ingredients together, and that's pretty much it. It's so simple. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching!